Choose the correct sentence. Options are: A. He do his homework. B. He does his homework. C. He doing his homework. D. He done his homework. The correct answer is he does his homework. Which word completes the sentence? Blank. You like reading. Options are: A. Does. B. Do. C. Doing. D. Done. The correct answer is do. Which word completes the sentence? Blank. It work properly. Options are: A. Do. B. Does. C. Doing. D. Did. The correct answer is does. Choose the correct negative sentence. Options are: A. She do not play every day. B. She does not play every day. C. She does not plays every day. D. She do not plays every day. The correct answer is she does not play every day. Which sentence is correct? Options are: A. They does exercise daily. B. They do exercise daily. C. They doing exercise daily. D. They does exercises daily. The correct answer is they do exercise daily. Which word completes the sentence? Blank. This sound correct. Options are: A. Do. B. Does. C. Doing. D. Done. The correct answer is does. Choose the correct question. Options are: A. Does we need more time. B. Do we need more time. C. Doing we need more time. D. Done we need more time. The correct answer is do we need more time. Which word completes the sentence? Blank. The answer makes sense. Options are: A. Do. B. Does. C. Doing. D. Done. The correct answer is does. Choose the correct sentence. Options are: A. I does my work carefully. B. I do my work carefully. C. I doing my work carefully. D. I done my work carefully. The correct answer is I do my work carefully. Which sentence is correct? Options are: A. Does they understand the rule. B. Do they understand the rule. C. Doing they understand the rule. D. Done they understand the rule. The correct answer is do they understand the rule.